welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a first impressions on something exciting. So Pixi have sent over this On The Glow blush set, and we've got 3 different blushes in here. So we're going to do a first impressions, we're going to test them out, we're going to see exactly how they work on the face. Now I've got face makeup on, but I've left blush off, obviously. I feel like I'm really excited for these because I'm a very big blush person. I love blusher and I love liquid blushes, so I'm really excited about these. So these are called the Pixi On The Glow Blush Tinted Moisture Sticks, and in the package you get 3 blushes. So when you look at them, I feel like all of these shades are going to work really nicely. But we are obviously going to try and swatch all of them, but we're going to test one of the blushes out on the face. So you can actually, as far as I remember reading, you can use these on your lips as well. Okay, yeah, so these are to be used on cheeks and lips. They are a hydrating solid cheek tint, vitamin packed for antioxidant benefits, 1 sweet colour payoff. Try 1 shade on cheeks and lips to look pulled together instantly. Complements all skin tones, paraben free, not tested on animals. So yeah, really good things there. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and try these blushes out. So I'm going to swatch them all for you guys. They are very moisturising. I did swatch them in the PR unboxing. This is what the packaging looks like. So cute. And you literally just lift the lid off and twist the bottom to get the product out. So this colour here is called, which one's this called? Juicy. So this colour here is called Juicy, which I feel like is the perfect kind of coral tone. Really loving that. I like that. You then have the colour Fleur, which is this really gorgeous pretty pink colour. And again, take the little lid off, we'll swatch that one. Oh, that's so pretty. And then that's the pink colour. Don't know if you can see, big difference there. And then we have the colour which I think I'm going to try. This one is called Ruby, and it's like a ruby red colour. Again, so cute, love the packaging. I haven't really swatched this one, so I'm going to do that now. Oh, that is so nice. So that is a really lovely ruby red colour. So I've got a little bit of lip balm on, but what I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to try this on my lips. I love the applicator of this. That feels amazing on the lips. Like, literally just feels like a nice lip balm. Very comfortable, very shiny and glossy and moisturising. Love that for the lips. So I think what I'm going to do is, there's either 2 ways you can do it. You can either really like swipe it on your face, or you can put it on your hand and sort of pat it on. It's really up to you what you want to do. What I've seen some people do is actually pat it on. So you can just kind of press it on your face like that, or you can swipe it on. Now what you can do is use your fingers and you can like blend it out, or you can use a beauty blender or a brush or something. Oh, I love it. It's so nice how, what the colour, like you can see how red it is, but it just goes into such a beautiful colour. So you can kind of put a little bit more on if you wanted to. But I love this. It's so moisturising, very comfortable, and it looks amazing on the skin. So you can see there that the difference is really nice. So what I like to do is I do like to put a little bit of blush on my nose, just so I look more sort of healthy looking. And you can see straight away that it just matches. So I'm going to put a little bit on here. I think these are fab actually. These are the perfect summery kind of blushes. I'm really enjoying it so far. I feel like I chose the right shade that I wanted as well. I wanted a really nice sort of pink red look, and I absolutely love these. These are so nice. So you can keep building it up as much as you want. but if you just want to blend it out, it just looks amazing. I love it. I feel like that's just given me such a lovely summery glow. I'm really happy with it, and you can just keep building, you know, keep building it up as much as you want. Love it. Really happy with that. I feel like this is going to be a perfect summery blush that I go to every single day. I'm really excited to try the other shades, but for now I'm really happy with this one. This one's like my favourite so far. I love how it's just so easy to just put it on your face, then your lips. It is so nice. So yeah guys, I'm really happy with this. I feel like it looks amazing. It looks so nice on the skin. It is not emphasising my pores at all. It is just the most beautiful summery glow that is just giving me such a nice complexion and a healthy glow. Absolutely love these. So I will link them down below where you can get them. They may even be in Boots, because I know Boots stock Pixi. Oh my god, I know that Boots stock Pixi, so make sure you check them out because they are so nice. I'm really intrigued by the other colours as well. I feel like I just want to put it on just so I can see how... Oh wow, it's just so nice. I love these. They just look amazing, and they just give you such a nice glowy complexion, and oh, I just love them. You know, like if you put a little bit of tinted moisturiser on, or some BB cream or some CC cream, and then you just add a little bit of this. It's just, I really like these. I feel like this is a great alternative for blusher. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below what you guys think of this look, because I feel like it looks so nice, so natural, so summery, so glowy, so healthy. Let me know what you guys think, and please subscribe if you are new. It means so much to me. And just thank you for popping on my video and giving it a watch. Please give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed. And I've got all these swatches on my hand now, but I will see you guys in another video. Bye.